Welcome to section 4.3, solving quadratic equation by factoring. Before we can work on any examples, here I wrote a quadratic equation, x squared minus 4x minus 12 equal to 0. Then here I wrote f of x equals x squared minus 4x minus 12. That is just the same form as if you saw y equal x squared minus 4x minus 12. Now, the reason I wrote these forms is because you might see either these two forms on a given quiz or a given test. So, in order to factor, the one thing you must have is everything is one side and it's equal to 0. So, x squared minus 4x minus 12 are all on the left side of the equal sign, and the whole equation is equal to 0. So when you have a form like this, you can start factoring. Similar, if you have x squared minus 4x minus 12, if everything is on the same side, in this case, all three of them are on the right side of the equal sign, and on the other side is just f of x, that means you can also start factoring. So the common pattern between these two forms is that x squared, negative 4x, and negative 12, they're all on the same side. So in the first form, they're on the left side of the equal sign, and the second form, they're all on the the right side of the equal sign. So before you can do any kind of factoring, make sure that your x squared, your x, and your constant number, in this case the negative 12, everything is on the same side, regardless if it's the left side, regardless if it's on the right side. Now, if it's on the right side, you can still flip the equation where everything's on the left side and the 0 is on the right side. So, make sure everything's on one side. If your x squared, your x, and your constant numbers on the right side, you can flip the equation, and that's simple, and just have the 0 on the right side. Here, just make sure everything's on the same side, and f of x is on the other side. Once everything is on one side, mainly on the left side, then you can start factoring.